Hey guys, check out this Harry Potter music box musical realm of a player for a music box. You know what I mean? This thing's amazing. I love that it comes with the 3 screws included with a few holes to strap this down into any kind of box you need, right? Whether it's a little boom boom box or a wooden box, I don't know. You can make a paper plate box for all I know, and this is gonna sound great. So for me, I work at my computer all day, and sometimes I just need to chill and relax. So I grab this thing, I twist it up, and I just hold on to it. I mean, how is this not calming and relaxing? Just brings me to another place. I love the sound quality of this. It sounds crisp and clean. It's on beat. It got those highs. Yeah, so all in all, I'm impressed for the sound of a music box right here. I'm kind of disappointed I don't have one to slap it in to show you, but I'm gonna go gather some wood. I'm gonna gather some tools. I'm gonna build a box, and I'm probably gonna give this to my wife on Mother's Day because who doesn't love a Harry Potter wind-up doll, right? So all in all, I'm super blessed that they sent me this to try out. This gift is going to be the gift that keeps on giving when I give it to my wife on Mother's Day.